We're super excited about our latest review. We work very hard to meet everyone's needs, and we really value hearing 5-star reviews like this one. Now we're sharing it with you.
Highly recommended, extremely helpful and professional. Many thanks.
So if you're seeking a company that's focused on great satisfaction and high quality service, we're your choice. We're confident that you'll walk away very satisfied. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.